now going to do the halwa. I'm going to use the grated Doodhi with all the excess liquid squeezed out. You got the semi-skimmed milk, you got the condensed milk, whipping cream, and got the sugar going in there. Got the crushed almonds to go in for flavoring and cardamom, and the flaked almonds to garnish it. And it starts off with ghee. I mean, ghee ghee looks like this. It's refined butter basically. So you know, and then you can get it from any Indian grocers quite easily. So I'm going to put the ghee into a spoon. That's about a tablespoonful of ghee there. Let it melt again on medium heat. I've got it. I'm going to let the ghee heat up a bit before I add the Doodhi to it. Once the ghee is melted, it's you know, see-through like that, transparent. It turns like that. That's what it looks like. I'm going to add the Doodhi to it. And stir it. Mix it well. Keep it on medium heat and let it just cook on medium heat. I'm going to cover the Doodhi now and let it cook for about 5 minutes. What it'll do is it'll get the natural juices coming out, and then at the same time it'll cook it. So give it 5 minutes. The Doodhi's been cooking with the lid on for about 5 minutes, and as you can see, this is the point I was making. This Doodhi did not have that much juice in it, so it's dried fairly quickly. Otherwise you would have had to cook it with the lid off for a few more minutes, but I think it's still not quite done, so I'm going to let it cook further for 2 or 3 minutes anyway. I'm going to add the 200 mils of skimmed milk in it now, and let it cook in the milk. And this takes about 8 to 10 minutes again. I'm going to turn the heat up slightly so till the milk starts bubbling, and then I'll turn it down. Right, again I'm going to cover it and let it cook for 8 to 10 minutes. So as you can see, the milk hasn't quite reduced, so I've turned up the heat and I'm going to let it cook with the lid open till all this milk is reduced. The Doodhi has been cooking in the milk for nearly 15 minutes now, and it's reduced. All the milk is reduced, it's absorbed by the Doodhi. So now I'm going to add the condensed milk. The whipping cream. And the sugar. And mix it well, make sure the sugar's dissolved. And I'm going to let it cover it and let it cook for 10 minutes, but keep stirring it occasionally to make sure, you know, the heat is right and it's not sticking at the bottom. But it should be, you know, in 10 minutes it'll be well cooked, and most of the milk is sort of reduced. So I'll leave it on that heat now, cover it and let it cook for another 10 minutes or so, and it should be done. The Doodhi's been cooking for nearly 15 minutes now, and all the juices have reduced and absorbed by the Doodhi. So I'm going to add the cardamom in there, 1 teaspoon, crushed almonds. Mix that. Turn the heat off now, it's done. Take it out from the serving dish. The Doodhi halwa can be eaten hot and cold. It's lovely hot with ice cream, and you can set it and you can also cut it into nice pieces before you serve, so it's also very nice cold. So I'm just gonna finish it off by garnishing it with flaked almonds.